Next to SN2 mechanism. SN2 mechanism in nucleophilic. SN2 mean bimolecular nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophilic substitution reactions. Bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. So here the characteristics, if you see characteristics number 1, the reactivity alkyl halides, if you see primary alkyl halides are more reactive than secondary alkyl halides, then after tertiary alkyl halides. So reactivity primary is greater than secondary, then after tertiary, that is reverse of SN1. And in this case the base effect is more. The rate of the reaction is directly proportional to alkyl halide and also nucleophile. So here the strong nucleophiles more concentration, with high concentration favors are required. So example, if you see the negatively charged ions, for example I minus, you can take I minus, Cn minus, and CH3O minus, OH minus. These are good nucleophiles. The negatively charged species are good nucleophiles. And next this is concerted mechanism. Concerted means single step. Single step. Here an imaginary transition state is formed. An imaginary transition state is formed. This is imaginary but not isolated. Next here solvents, polar aprotic solvents. They are polar aprotic solvents favor SN2 mechanism. Polar aprotic mean acetone and dimethyl sulfoxide. This is dimethyl sulfoxide, DMSO, and dimethyl formamide. This is dimethyl formamide, DMF. So these are the common solvents for the SN2 mechanism. And here the inversion of product formation takes place. So 100% inversion of product formed. 100% inversion of product formation takes place. That is called Walden inversion. This is also called Walden inversion. Otherwise Walden inversion, otherwise umbrella inversion. So these are stereo selective and specific. Stereo specific, only one product formation takes place. So these are the characteristics of the reaction. And so we discuss example. For example, I am taking deuterium, hydrogen, and methyl. This is chlorine. This is deuterated ethyl chloride. For example, its configuration is S configuration. So here R configuration. Okay. Its configuration is R, for example. Now here if you use a nucleophile, for example aqueous KOH, here the product formation is opposite configuration, D and CH3 and H. So this type of product formation takes place. So if it is RO, this is S configuration. So it is initially like this. but in the product like this. So this is called inversion configuration. This is also called Walden inversion. This is also called umbrella inversion, because when wind is moving with high speed, then if you keep umbrella in inverted manner, it will become invert. Oppositely, if you keep, it will become invert. So this is called umbrella inversion. So if you see the mechanism of this path, mechanism in the presence of use KOH in the presence of acetone, this type of compounds, acetone. So here the mechanism. So here OH minus ion from back side of attack, because these are the less hindered small size groups. These are small size groups, so that's why OH attack from back side easily before eliminating from chlorine. That means at a time chlorine elimination, at a time OH attacking, both are at a time takes place. So we will take a imaginary transition state that is forms bond with OH and carbon, and also bond breaking with carbon and chlorine is formed. So this is the 5-membered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-membered. This is trigonal bipyramidal sp3d hybridized. So this is the transition state. This is just imaginary transition state. There is no evidence for the formation of this. So in the next step, completely chlorine element completely will be attacked. Now we will get the product inversion of configuration. Product we will get. So this is a S configuration. If it is R configuration, this is S. 100% inversion of product formation takes place. So before attacking the before eliminating the chlorine, OH minus will be attacked from a back side. So this is the mechanism. So in this some metal ions also, heavy metal ions also favors. Some exam type of questions. The SN2 reactivity increasing order with respect to SN2 mechanism. They will give the questions like this. So they will give like this the question. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So in this case, the reactivity means this is primary alkyl halide. This is primary alkyl halide. This is the secondary alkyl halide. This is a tertiary alkyl halide. This is vinyl halide. So you know that with respect to SN2 mechanism, primary is greater than secondary is greater than tertiary. So here B is greater than A, then after C. Then what about vinyl halide? Option D. Here chlorine is formed so resonance with the pi bond. So pi sigma lone pair conjugation is present. So here carbon chlorine, there is a partial double bond formation takes place. If double bond formation takes place, chlorine not easily eliminated. So vinyl halide is very least reactive. Very least reactive. It may be SN1 or SN2. These are very least reactive. When halogen is in conjugation with double bond, which is very least reactive.